Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the environment consistent. Install Node LTS, VS Code, and Gitso tools behave predictably. Once done, create a new folder, run npm init to create package, JSON, and install a simple dev server like Live Server or Express so you can test quickly. Then in VS Code, add index, HTML styles, CSS, and script, JS, and enable autosave. This prevents lost changes and speeds iteration. Make sure extensions like Prettier and Live Server are enabled to. You now assemble the app structure and logic. Define a questions array in JSON with text, choices, and correct index so data and UI are separated. Next, create DOM elements, a card for the question, buttons for choices, a progress bar, and a visible score counter to keep the interface clear. Then implement load question to render data, handle choice, to check answers and update score, and a next flow to advance or end the quiz. Use event delegation for buttons to keep code concise and efficient. You finalize the game by adding an end screen that displays the final score, a retry button, and an option to persist high scores in local storage so progress survives reloads. Then run thorough tests. Simulate empty question sets, rapid multiple clicks, and failed JSON loads to catch race conditions. If something goes wrong, check the console for uncaught errors, confirm your query selector paths, and clear cache to avoid stale scripts. These steps resolve most issues quickly and get your quiz reliably playable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.